Sesiphinde sakhona ke babukeli bayo iDream TV. Siyanibulisa nonke emakhaya namhlanje ngale mini. Igama lami ndinguAmlu Ndingo wakwamabala. So silapha namhlanje esikoleni esisithanda kakhulu, esikhulu esenza izinto ezinkulu iDulati Senior Secondary School. Sizo interviewer uprincipal wethu sive into yokubana ukwazi njani ukuachieve izinto ezinkulu kangaka bese sisikolo sisezilalini phansi pha kwindawo yaseMarhambeni. Uprincipal wethu funeka sicacisele namhlanje asixelele into yokubana basebenzisana njani as teachers and also how do they manage to achieve izinto ezinkulu kangaka, because sithetha nje sinomntana ka 97% on physical sciences and also 90% on mathematics. Lo mntana uphuma kwesi sikolo salapha ekhaya. So sizawucela nje ukunintroduce kuprincipal wethu olapha phambi kwami namhlanje. Tishara omkhulu, siyabulela into yokubana usamkele esikolweni sakho namhlanje. Ndifuna ukuhalalisela kakhulu, ndicongratulate ngomsebenzi omhle kangaka enwenzayo. Nisisikolo sasezilalini. I mean, this is what for. Kusezilalini kakhulu, we don't even have a network for that matter. Kodwa isikolo sakho senza izinto ezinkulu. Mr. You're saying this learner has achieved like 8 distinctions, yes, and he is from this school.
Yes.
Like, I'm looking at the circumstances.
Yes.
I would highly believe in the Yogokbana. Nobody can study under these circumstances. I mean, abanye abantu, they don't have electricity here. Kukudu kamanzi, they travel from very far. Besiza apha esikolweni, and also there's no network. We believe ukuthi we get our memos, we get our study guides, everything on the internet. So kwindawo ezikanjena nina, how do you manage to cope? Nenza sure abantwana benu bayapasa.
Kule ndawo esikuyona kunzima kona because ngenyani siku deep rural areas, but sizi teacher, si management yesikolo, si SGP, we sit down and plan, and the results ezitholile ngoku is because of the dedication eyenzekile on the side of educators kona to work in such situation. Siyazi uba njengoba sikule ndawo ezinje kufanele sisebenze sizinikezele ngandlela zonke. Siyazama teacher would do morning classes, afternoon classes, vacation classes, and on the side of the network, siyalinda ngalo xesha mangaba siyifumana siyenyuka siyena kezintabeni sizama ukuthola information, and also we also work with other institutions. So the institution neighboring school esingaba sina information siyakwazi basi assistant nathi also sikwazi uassistant. So that's how we try, and labantwana nabo they try because siyabenza ukuthi banga only focus here information but they also look abroad, baphume nabo batry ngaphandle. So that's how we try. Even parents on the other side, those are the people who are supporting very hard kule achievement esesayifumana apha eDulati. So yona ndlela esizama ngayo leso len kodwa with all means we try our best because sibambisene, we work as a team here. So lo okwaziyo ukuthi abe ne-access kwi-internet nawentoni uyakwazi ukuthi ancede abantwana. It's not that uba teacher i-physics uzazimela qoko, but even another teacher will intervene, even SMT, even the principal will try to assist, trying by all means to give support each and every time we are here, in so much that before babhale sithi Monday before babhale we plan a camp, we stay with them here, we try by all means to give them full support. They sleep here, then we try by all means to give them support. And also invite some stakeholders from outside, even motivators. So those are the things, Zamana programs, even Nama camps as a circuit manager way to so where the part and team as a principal will give full support so that they manage to achieve these results. That's how we manage to achieve these results, because of dedication and teamwork.
All right, thank you so much, Principal. There are things I've just tried to look around in room yako.
Yes.
Ngibone analysis ka grade 11, ngibone analysis ka grade 12.
Yes.
Which I highly believe ukuthi grade 12 uqala kwa grade 11, meaning that abantwana benu niyaba equipa kwa grade 11. Please tell me that spirit nje sokuhlala and analyze all the time and make sure that niza namanye futhi ama resolution when you see that you are facing problems, like ni qale ngaphi mhlambe nithi
masiqala sizo analyze, analyze at the end of the year.
Yes.
Each and every term we sit down after the exam, then no teacher submitted, then keep our schedules, then we sit down and analyze. si-check-e ama-percentage ngokwe-subject. Sibona i-subject edrophayo. Then we come up with strategy. How are we going to assist the teacher esimbona enkingeni? Because kufuneka sithi siyibona la soshaya khona, siyibone as early as sithi try to chip in, sinike assistance, sinazo kumsupport lo teacher. And must analyze, we don't just analyze it, we go even deep to it, diagnostic analysis. Lapho u-teacher ezokubona le question ebachayo specifically uba how is going uba uzayilungisa kanjani le ngxaki ebonakala ichallenge abantwana. So into ye percentage tracker starting from first term, second term, third term, sithi sifika ku fourth term sibe siyibonile ukuba no siyashayeka pha singayilungisa kanjani. So that's what we do. Then immediately after first term we're going to sit down as teachers, as a team, and SMT, we analyze. Then we come up with strategies about how are we going to come out of this? Because if we ignore this, it's going to haunt us at the end of the year. So that's a strategy that we're using. Then we give support, a full support to the teacher or encounter some challenges. And also to give more support with that team, we have formed here a grade 12 team committee. Each weekly, yahlangana. Then teachers, based on the challenges abanazo, then we try to solve them, we assist them, they go back to class. Next week, they come again in a meeting, then they raise challenges, nezinye proposals and strategies, trying to assist these learners. So those are other strategies that we apply here. That's our secret, that's our recipe, trying to assist these learners. So we try by all means. And also make sure that our learners, luckily, we've got disciplined learners. And they know what they're here for. So, and also involve parents. If we encounter some more challenges to a learner, the parent is called, then because a school, we believe that a school is a three-legged organization. So the parent should be involved, educator should be involved, a learner should be involved. So we're working on those grounds so that we achieve what we achieve this year.
All right. Just behind me, Principal, I'm seeing this thing. Uguti, last year you've achieved 86.5%.
Yes.
And then now I'm seeing the Dulati pledge for 2023 or
Yes.
for 2022.
Yes.
Yes. So now I'm looking at it and I'm trying to see Uguti, how do you raise the bar from like 86.5 to like 100, and you've nearly achieved 100% because you are 97.
Yes.
So nizibone zipossible kangakanani, and ungathi mhlambe mawuxoxa no principal wakwesinye isikole, let's say there's a school mhlambe so 40 something percent or 50 something percent, they want to achieve the same results as you, nikwazi ukufikelela ku 97%. So mhlambe uxoxa nabo kanjani labo principal ukuthi it's not like you are dreaming too big mangabe ufuna ukunyusa ibha yakho uyisethe too high. So siba motivate kanjani, siba encourage kanjani to say this is what you can do and it's possible for you guys, you can achieve it. Tina Simovila from 86.5 and then Sanyuga we went to 97%, which is 10% difference, 10.5% difference.
Yes.
So encourage kanjani.
Tina as Dulati, our strategy is not that we start in grade 12.
Yes.
We start in grade 8.
Okay.
Then siyibona ibachelor wa grade 8. Then we move now. So this team, although the team, we are affected by COVID, affected by those challenges. But we started these learners at grade 8. And we move and we give support starting from grade 8. Then on grade 9. Then when they are reaching grade 10, we also assist these learners on choosing their packages. It's not that the learner just go to any package. So we also involve ourselves trying to assist them in choosing, advise them on how to choose a package. So because the learners is go to mathematics. So we can't mislead him or her. This package. So I think it's a strategy. Then also, as a principal, you have got to listen to your teachers. If the teacher needs support, so also make sure that the teacher is formally supported to line. We make sure that there's no shortage in classrooms. We make sure that whenever we encourage the teachers, also motivate the teachers. It's not that to achieve the results, you need to be harsh, but also you need also to be humble. Talk to the teachers, advise them, let them see the light. When a principal be visionary, always praise them. No matter little that they've done, praise the educators, then their spirit, we're going to uplift their spirit. So those are strategies that we are trying. And also, as grade 12, even at grade 11, we sit with the grade 11 learners. I advise them, I encourage them, but no, wake up, because it's not that it's supposed to be grade 12 pen. Even grade 11, our grade 11, our grade 11 is grade 12. The support that we're giving grade 12, now grade 11 because we are preparing for this. And we make sure that no matter we employ our teacher here, we make sure that since the show go to teacher zasezifundo are measuring us. We don't just mix it so that we're going to have the quality results, the quality educators. So those are the strategies that we're using. And also make sure that we have got our plans as a school, as I used to say, that we don't close schools. As we started now, that's what in December, we're here with these learners. So that's our strategy. We work with them, we are very close to them, we listen to them, we make sure that we attend to all their challenges. So that's our strategy that we're trying to improve this.
All right, hoping that all the principals are listening. Ukuthi nje i-strategy C1, you need to make sure ukuthi abantwana bakho uyamonitorisha from grade 8. You listen to your teachers, you don't centralize information, you allow people to have like their own inputs so that yonke into ibe right. So ngicela sithethe ngalento sesizawuvala nje into yokubana we have this one student. Esisithathe sayosibeke ICC. I don't want to disclose the name, I want you to disclose the name. As a student sakho, student is achieve kakuhle with 8 distinctions. Lo mntana usuka kwesi sikolo, usuka kwesi sandla sakho, usuka kule leadership, kule guidance. You've motivated and shaped these learners to be exactly what you guys want. So now I'm looking at the stream ebekuso ukuthi it's maths and physics, which is challenging so much kwindawo esikuzo, in fact South Africa as a whole. People end up not managing to choose careers abawafunayo because they do not have maths, they do not have physicals. But in this school we have a student who has managed to achieve mathematics ngo 90% and his physical sciences ngo 97%. Mhlambe indoni ongasenlightisha ngayo in terms of these streams nokuthi sisebenza nzima kangakanani to make sure that we motivate these learners, because not abanye abayipasi maths but umuntu uyazixelela into yokubana I don't know maths okanye I can always make it without maths. So why should I? West with streams our commerce, most of the people are like that. Hence we find ama-chartered accountants amaninzi esuka ku streams our science. Ngicela nje usithathu sibeke ukuthi nenza kanjani nabothisha benu bakwa science nokuthi uba encourage kanjani abantwana ke ngokuthi align themselves with this stream, and also to love mathematics, because because most of the bursary opportunities zisuka zifuna maths mhlawumbe 60%. But here we've moved from 60 sashiyu 70 sashiyu 8, we went as far as 90%, which is A+.
Okay.
Yes.
First thing endiyenza la kwa mathematics, invite abantwana sebephumelela ababeashivile. They come here and motivate these learners who are from this area. Bazomotivate labantwana babaxelele nalapho sebekhona. That's the first thing. Okwesibini, as a principal, as SMT members, othisha by physics, othisha by mathematics, those teachers siyazi bazikhona izidingo eziningi ezilapha, but we make sure that we provide them, as I've already told you. And I make sure that kuma programs we fully support. We make sure that no matter what we program in lab, we make sure that our learners, our educators, they do at the end. And also I invite even subject advisors to come and assist these learners, just the educators and including learners. So, and the teacher also advise them that even cluster teaching, they also practice, because our learners should not only just focus to only here, but also they manage to grab information from even nangaphandle. So researcher enye into esiyikhuthaza labantwana baka mathematics and this, because and always whenever siba addressa labantwana, always ibeka mathematics as a subject esifundekayo, esipasekayo, esilula, because yesithi thina into ithi ibenzima because wena utshela mind yakho ukuthi no sinzima sebe, but since kukhona abantwana basa-achievayo, so siyababonisa abantwana this is achievable, you can do it and iyenzeka. So those are the strategies esizame ukuthi senze, and senza show ukuthi bangama-study guides njengoba ndisho ukuthi material edingekalayo lapha kwa-mathematics, and othisha they give them extra time with these learners. They even teach them even on Sundays. So uthisha akayivuli igap. I encourage them that uthisha should not open a gap between abantwana. Angabikho igap ba 2 days akwazi ukubona ngisho uthisha i-workshop akenze sure ukuthi ubashare activity ubashare a task and they are always each and every day asenze sure ukuthi uthisha i-hour lakhe uyalingena mathematics there must be no gap so abantwana basho babe nothando and kuze ukuthi mabahambe achieve labantwana nabo uyamotivate labantwana nje bebodwa uba kukhona umntwana ebuya eSCC kukhona umntwana othole u90% ku-mathematics then kwabona iyabachinja umqondo labantwana ngoba motivated kwakhona kwajiya sokukhona i-competition even inside labantwaneni so ezinye izinto engicabange mina ukuthi zine input lapha ukuthi sikwazi uku-achieve achieve esidulati.
Thank you so much, sir. Let's say mhlambe le video goes to an extent that mhlambe it reaches the ministers, the people who are so keen to assist abantu education wise. So mhlambe lolu phuncedo nina eningalifuna as idulati because we may never know. We are keeping these as memories, we are trying to motivate, we are trying to encourage, we are trying to empower. But we may never know. Mhlambe it's going to come back to us and say Thina siyafuna uku-assista ngendlela ethile. We don't know which sponsors are going to be watching. We don't know which funders are going to be interested to come to eDulati and assist lesikolo ukuthi siqhubekeke phambili nemisebenzi emihle siyenzayo. Sicela nje usame ukusbriefa kancane ukubana lolu phuncedo mina ningalihalela zintoni iDulati eshoda ngazo. Wesiqala mhlambe lo network we don't know mhlambe Vodacom will be watching.
Yes.
Mhlambe Cell will be watching, mhlambe MTN so nje.
Hayi ndingavuya nje abantu abami bake nje nabo babe banika ama-tablet bezakwazi ukuthi bakwazi information babe ne-access to-information so ezinye izinto esizihalele because in the side of technology we are aware that we are in the problem of load shedding but I think those asesinganazo singakwazi uku-assista even ama-computer then ngiyahalela ukuthi abantwana babe nayo because funeke bathi broaden their minds bakwazi ukuthi go outside the box with the information and izoba assista nento ukuthi abantu abami they need to be supported because labantwana ndithetha mina ngabantwana abangaze even baye elab only lonke lo 96% bamthatha nje la ngaphakathi so sike si-improve ne lab yethu at least ezinye experiments bazenze bona nje it's only theory kakuhle so 96% out of the theory so i-practicality part is not so much so I support lento ezinjalo si improve isinayo i-laboratory but ayinazo i-resources lapha so those are the things esingazijabulela thina zethu nathi uba si-support even abathisha bami bangayibazayela ngama-laptop then ndingahappy then bakwazi ukuthi ulwazi lwabo luthi kwenyukela ndiyabulela
Principally ngiyabonga kakhulu ngibonga isikhathi sakho umuntu obusy kuqala unyaka you guys are planning ukuthi nifuna ukwenza kanjani but uzamile ukuhlala nathi phansi usicathulisa nathi usifundisa a lot of things ukuthi lezikole ezisemakhaya asingazi undermine because kuyenza ukuthi abantu mabefuna abantwana babo ba-achieve izinto ezi-right siyabathatha sibase in big towns and cities kodwa usibonisile ukuthi ku-possible kangakanani ukuthi in the deep rural areas ayikho i-network kwezinye indawo awukho ugesi students are traveling more than 30 minutes ukuze esikolweni abanye bafika benethiwe banyamezele bahlale kuze kuphume isikole impahla yomele emzimbeni so siyayibonga kakhulu inhliziyo yenu as teachers siyayibonga kakhulu ingqondo yenu the dedication that you put to make abantwana bakweminye imizi ba-achieve izinto mhlawumbe abenabantwana abangakwazi ukuzi-achieve so ningayeki niqhubekele phambili thina siyi-Dream TV siyanikhuthaza kakhulu siyawuthanda umsebenzi wenu siyanibongela ukuthi even kwindawo ezingathathelwa ntweni kodwa igama lenu litomlwe eziDulati Combined School siyanithanda sizozama nathi ukumane sizonivakatshela whether for motivation whether for checking progress sizoncedisana nje nani sijabulisane kanye yani lo unyaka owenu sinethemba lokuthi from 97% we are going to have like 100% or equality with these distinctions mhlambe sihamba nabantwana abawu6 to ICC next year we may never know so siyabona ama-accountants aphuma la ekhaya ama-technicians abantu nje that are going to do big things bawutshintsha uMzimkhulu bawuthathe bawubeke to greater heights bazophuma la ekhaya siyabonga kakhulu tata siyabonga nakubazali abakubolekayo abantwana babo wabo. Sibonga i-team osebenza nayo othisha abakwazi ukwenza umsebenzi omkhulu kangako be-possible. Sibonga abahloli, ama-subject advisors, bonke labantu aba-invitayo, all the stakeholders. Singayikhohlwa i-SGB, singabakhohlwa mama baphekela abantwana bakho. Siyabathanda kakhulu, siyanibongela ngenhliziyo yethu yonke. Ningaye kwenza umsebenzi omhle.
Thank you very much. Siyabulela kakhulu.
Enkosi.
Enkosi.
Nawe Dulati awumncinane namhlanje sihleli nobhuti wethu esimaziyo into yokubana uhambile wayosimela esisikolo esuka kwindawo yasezilalini apha eMakhambeni kwa Ward 4. Waya eICC as one of the top achievers. He has 97% on physical sciences and 90% on mathematics. He's part of the top 5 achievers. Eheri Gwala isikolo sakhe sikwi top 5 yeNtsikeni Secondary singu number 3. So lo bhuti wethu ndizawucela into yokubana simamkele ngezandla ezishushu apha kwishow yethu iDream on TV. Bhuti uMkhuseli.
Yes, kunjani?
Siphilile Nkosi njani? Ababukele emakhaya bayakuvuyela kakhulu. We've been seeing you trending kwi social media platforms. Abantu bekuposta, the mayors, the leaders of our communities, the teachers, the principals nje bevuyisana nawe into yokubana uhambile wayoyimela indawo yethu yaseHerigwala. Ndicela usichazisele bhuti wami into yokubana wena as umuntu oyiachievileyo yonke lento uziva njani?
Mina ngiqanda ithuba nje nami wena sisi ngoba bengingaso into bendiyilindele leyo because nje kokupasa kanje into endiqale ngoku-matric kona umuntu behlele epasi eminyakeni but kushuthi umuntu uyabonisa ukuzimisela ngoba enye into bengayinceda ukuthi bengihlangane nabo uthisha aba-right kakhulu because bebehleli besimotivate basifunde kusela unyaka wonke singena ama-morning classes, afternoon classes nama-camps le beyibanjelwe la esikolweni ukuthi besihlala esikolweni uNovember wonke lo silungiselela lama-final exams. So nje nayo into isizile. Kanti-ke nama-camps lawa amanye ikhona camp yama-high flats sasekuyona eMzimkhulu la arrange umasipala lo weHerigwala. La nakhona sifike samotivateka kakhulu because umuntu afika ahlangana nabanye abantu bebepasa kakhulu lapha. Ibona futhi umuntu abantu abamotivate nama-camps akwamanzi. Kade nawe engena bekabini efika nabo Mr Judge arrange uMama Dlamini we-Akwamanzi no Mr Nqayi ubithisha mathematics. So ibona nje abantu abakhuphulile into agcina sepasa kahle.
Wow. Uyabona isikolo sakhe usithathe wasibeka kwindawo ephezulu kakhulu. I mean awungomntana ofunde on these model schools, ungumntana ofunde nje ezikolweni eziqhelekileyo. So kunomntana mhlawumbe akanalo ithemba ekhaya into yokubana naye angafikelela kule ndawo kuyo because uyaqonda into yokubana uhambe ibangelide usiye esikolweni ungabe nazo izihlangu zesikolo ukungafundi kwezi zikolo kukhumshwa kuzo kakhulu nezizibhadarisa kakhulu kumenza into yokubana asilele ezifundweni zakhe. And also nihlala endaweni engena network but you have managed into yokubana wena ukwazi ukufikelela kule ndawo kuyo. So uthetha uthini nabantu abalinganayo nawe abafunayo ukuba ngumkhuseli wangomso bayofinyelela iICC bapase bagqwese njengoba wenzile?
Angathi bakona iya ngomuntu ngokubona ke noma kube ku disadvantage kona umuntu ba besesikoleni ezingcono ngabe achieve kakhulu because ama network nayo yonke into njengoba usochile besibetha because ezinye izinto bekudinga liba sizifumane online. Ngoku nje ngathi iya kona ngothande so develop uthando yakwazi ukufocusa ukwazi ukuzimisela emsebenzini wakho ukwazi ukupasa because nami nje bese ngishizanga ngipase kahle ngisuka grade 11 but ke ngeke ngabona ukuthi ngedingakala ba ngiachieve kakhulu khona ngizakwazi ukulungisisa salami sase ngibe umuntu nami because ngaqala ke la mangimotivateka ngakwazi ukucela usizo kuTichala wazi ukucela usizo nangaphandle then la ngaqala khona ngakhula ke nami ngaqala ngathola level 7 ngisuka ku level 3 ka grade 11.
Wow.
So nje kwakuhle nje unyaka wonke sasa.
All right. But uMkhuseli ndicela usixelele ufuna ufundela ntoni now that unezi marks ezinhle kangaka?
Hayi bengizokwenza civil engineering because zange ngapply i-actuarial science iyona bengiyifuna but okwangoku ngizokwenza civil then after 6 months ngikwazi ukushintsha ngenze actuarial science because ekugqibeleni iyona engathi bendiyifuna. Qha nje ndiyazi ekugqibeleni sendixela nangoMama Dlamini lo eAkwamanzi ngale course le ndaye ngayithanda kanti benga-applyanga so manje into bengizofakela manje zoqala nje lo 6 months ngenze i-civil engineering then ngikwazi ukushintsha.
Oh wow. Sezikhona mhlawumbe ibursaries ezik-approachleyo since ungumuntu opase ngamanye.
Zikhona because nake esikolweni iUJ benibeke kuma Orange Carpet students ngizofunda mahala bekuthiwa kwathi khona nezinye izinto engizofumana phambili. So nje kumnandi nje khona nenye ibursary kodwa bese ngithathile qha ngiyilibala ke ngoyigama.
Okay. Bhuti wam ndicela ukuvuyisana nawe kakhulu namhlanje. Ndifuna ukukongratulate ngeyona ndlela into yokubana you've made ama-parents wakho so proud. Wenze indawo yangakwini wayiphakamisa, waphakamisa isikolo sakho, your teachers and everybody who was involved in the process. So right now ndizocela into yokubana nje usidlulisela amazwi asuka kuwe ombulelo to the teams that you've been working with unyaka lo wonke up until kuze kuzofika ixesha loba ube uachieve.
Hayi ngaqala nje ukubonga abazali bami ngoba nje yonke into bekungabo nokuya nje esikoleni yonke into because besikesana kakhulu nje futhi iminyaka edlulile into noyengazimiseli kahle esikoleni notitshala bebengincedisa kakhulu bonke utitshala nje bonke basedulati not that laba ba grade 12 straight because bonke bebekwazi ukunika support Mr Judge for motivation yakhe motivational speaker la eHerry Gwala uMam Dlamini no Mr Nqaya beakwamanzi laba ama camps wabo then beHerry Gwala umasipala ngama camps labo arrangela wona ngibonga kakhulu kubona.
Bhuti ndiyavuyisana nawe ndiyabonga kakhulu. Ngicela nje ushiyele just one line abantwana basedulati, abantwana basezilalini, abantwana bakwe townships, abantwana bakwe model C schools because not bonke abantwana bakwe model C schools bapasa ngalendlela upase ngayo. Just nje to say into lapha enhlizweni yakho uba motivate nawe ube ngu-Mr Judge kubo.
Ndingatsho nje ukuthi kona nakwabe sebeqalile ukwenza matric kona kabi late babezimisela bebonisa uthando kwizifundo lezi akhonto bangangakwazi ukuachieve enyakeni wabo because ke hayi ukuba lento iya ngokuthi sisiphiwo kanye kanjani ngibone kuma iya nje ngokuzimisela sesi.
Wow. Uthi ubhuti wami apha yonke lento iya ngokothando lwakho ngokuzihlonipha uhloniphe lento uyenzayo nokukhumbula into yokubana uphume ekhayeni elinjani. So akukho late mntana sekhaya nawe usenoqalisa because uyatsho ba over the years he was not the high flyer or the top achiever kodwa nakuwe yonke lento isengenzeka. Ndikufisela konke okuhle kulonyaka uqala nje into yokubana nawe ukwazi ukuzimisela so that uzofika kwezindawo ubhuti wethu uMkhuseli akwazileyo ufika kuzo. Nawe kukho into enhle ekulindileyo uhleli kuloo ndawo ohleli kuyo. Ndicela ukwamkela abazali bakaMkhuseli namhlanje kwiDream TV. Tata wam, mama wam, sicela ukundibulisa kakuhle kwiDream TV. Ndizocela ubuza nje umama ndibuze notata into yokubana niziva njani nankunyana wenu uhambile wayonirepresenta kwindawo ekuthiwa kuse-ICC apho kungangeni khona noba ngubani in terms of izifundo zakhe upase wagqwesa wayonimela walithatha ikhaya lakhe walibeka kwindawo ethande ukuphakama. Ndicela ukuva nje ukuthi nina nizi-parents niziva njani?
Hayi sikhululeke kakhulu sijabulile nangona bengelula ngoba indoda le njengeyithi belube siloke sixabana nje bekunjalo ngempela yena ubebonakala uyena obengaziboni ukuthi ubright amatishana bembona nathi besimbona into ekhona nje isikolo hayi benendawo ukuthi angafuni ukcooperate kahle besibizwa sibiziwe thina lapha kuzothiwa nangu umuntu uzihlalele uvele wangayi uyayibona ibinjalo uhamba watshintsha ke ngoba besiqinisa isandla noma wakhe lavela ikhono lakhe ukuthi umuntu obright yena yiwo lo umthathe kwazi kuhambeka lapha phela mina ngikhuluma nawe yonke into ingane yami mina ave ngizafihla.
Sivuyile kakhulu siswami, sivuyile kakhulu, sivuyile sivele sangathi asikholelwa. Uba uboy upase wafumana o7 by 8 kwisubject ebezenze. Bengekho lula sithando sami. Bengekho lula kakhulu ngoba ebede ayifihle report. Kwa usuka phansi. Ndithi uyabona ke mntana msawuthi sesithethe kahle at least ufika ku level 4. Apho siyakhona silungiselela ugrade 12. Ukuze sifike ku grade 12 at least uyongena ku grade 12 uphethe o6 no7. Ngabo abazawuthi bakuvulele university. In our days euniversity akufani kungene nabani na. Uyawuphetha ngokwena ujikezazi ungangenanga phakathi. Ebeyenza ke mntana sibe side sithi xa sithethayo abengathi umamele ngokuxesha sisanda ufumana lo report yalo term. Uyayibona? Abengathi uzawulungisa. Sithethe into ubana not a single day simbhaqa phethe incwadi. uyayibona ebekonqena uhlala phansi nencwadi kodwa yena besimbona uba inoba umamele eklasini uyayibona kodwa uthe ngexesha ezigrade 12 wabonisa waveza nje ubuserious uyayibona so nathi sahlala kulanto ke sahlala kulanto lento ayitshoyo athi ebekhe wafumana ugrade ulevel 3 uyayibona befihle kwaphela lo report leyo akayiveza athi ibisepokothweni nejacket yento ethile iphi report next year uzakwenza ugrade 12 uyayibona so iya kugrade 12 siyazi bana uyongena kugrade 12 nothi bengathi uyayibona uzamile umntanami sibulela uThixo uzabe kungekho lula uzamile because bekwazi nozithatha impahla ngoziclean athi jumpe emanzi kulento ithethwa ngudata ubona nje ungayi-understand uba kwenzeka ntoni uyayibona nto leyo kuthiwe makakhatshwe masenze sure into yobana uyile esikolweni neetishara zisebenzile iitishara zaphayana because bekufowuna ukufowuniwe uba uMkhuseli akezange esikolweni namhlanje uzile esikolweni it's not that yena ebengumntu odum but kule nto ayitshoyo into yobana funeka ide ifike entliziyweni into once ifike entliziyweni iza kwenzeka le nto uyifunayo ungakhange bekanti wenzeni nantoni uvele ufocuse kule nto wafocus ke and simncoma ukhula sibona umahluko omkhulu kunento ebeyiyo le kodwa yobana avele nje aqine nje yena yedwa hayi ivele hayi ndavela kuphuma inyembezi
bantwana basekhaya emakhaya I'm sure nibukele and niyayibona into yokubana our parents are wishing us well kodwa kudepende kuthi banosithandazela banosithengela yonke into esiyidingayo banosinikeza the full support but if thina asibonisi ntshisekelo nokufuna ukuyiachieve loo nto leyo ayizukwenzeka mntana sekhaya so usuka kuloo ndawo kuyo be motivated be encouraged nawe mamela xa kuzama ukuncedisana nawe so umama wami notata wami basixelele into yokubana bekungekho lula kodwa ekuthandazeni nasekukholelweni into yokubana xa umntana wakho umuntu omnyama umshaper ngendlela eyiyo uyakwazi uphuma eyiyo lento nawe uyinqwenelayo zeningadinwa ukubakhuthaza abantwana benu emakhaya thina siyi-Dream TV simfisela simnqwenelela ihambo enhle uMkhuseli kwizifundo zakhe nakwizinto afuna ukuzenza for future purposes. Babukela abahle beDream TV namhlanje silapha emhlabeni kaMr Mpombi esikolweni Ntsikeni Senior Secondary School. Isikolo esike esiqophe umlando kakhulu over the years eMzimkhulu for like 7 consecutive years bona oko bezithi nje 100% kuma results wabo. Silapha namhlanje kuzothetha no principal about achievements zabo nokwazi into yokubana strength esingaka ustrowa kweyiphi indawo and also to congratulate uprincipal ngomntwana wabo ofumane 8 distinctions including maths and physics. Principal wam ndiyakwamkela namhlanje ehlelweni lethu leDream TV ndizawucela nje sixoxe nabo ababukele ekhaya uMr Mpombi abacacisela into yokubana ungubani ukweyiphi indawo kanjani.
Ngiyabonga ke sisi ngibingelele ke kuwena nababukeli baka Dream TV. Lo ke nikhuluma naye uMr Mpombi unkululeka igama inqolo la khona la eMzimkhulu. Ngiwu-principal ke walesi sikolo iNtsikeni Senior Secondary School since 2013. As ke ushilo sesikwazile ukuthola 100% ukusukela ngo-2016 kuze kube imanje ke kuma results ka 2022. Kakhulu ke lapho sihambisa phambili ukusebenzisana phakathi kwabazali neingane nabothisha. Isikakhulu ke what is a drive to us is our vision. Vision esiyithathe ke sayenza yaphila kwangabe ukuthi nje ibhalwe nje edongeni. Sithi ke thina kwi vision yethu in whatever we do inside the premises of the school we strive towards world class excellence. Whatever we are doing it must be world class. Then ke kube ukuthi ke ngoku we have pillars that we just have to use to make this alive. Okokuqala kube ukuthi ke we maximize contact time. Our school starts from 6:30 siyophuma ngo-4:00 but ama period wona aqala ngo-7:30. So from 6:30 to 7:30 in morning class for everybody. We don't have that situation where we are saying the lama class angenhla iwona okufanele angene morning class ngo 6:30 everybody every learner elapha esikolweni kusukela kwa grade 8 siyofikelela kubani ku grade 12 isesikolweni waiting for othisha. That's one pillar, maximize contact time. And when we are saying that city minimize the discipline, teachers, all educators must be on time, on task, teaching. Ngoba enye izinto yenza ukuthi ungalibali uchuku ukuthi ungene eclassini ufundisa umntwana. Ngoba zonke isikhathi esiningi abantwana bethu makukhona into abayenzile ill discipline okanye i-offense uyothi masolandelisisa uthola ukuthi uyenze ngalesikhathi bokufanele bakukhona uthisha eclassini. So ke ngokusebengenile abantwana othisha babe khona bafundisa. Ngokwenza kanjalo ke isikhathi sikwazile ukusimaximize. Kwa grade 12 senza sure ukuthi ngoJuni syllabus iqediwe. Ngoba vele isikhathi sinaso. Akekho umuntu ozama ne-excuse ukuthi kwenzakaleni ngoba vele isikhathi Ntsikeni sikhona. But isikhathi sikhona okunye okulandelayo ngokuthi kufanele phela ne-unity ibe khona. Ngoba singanaso isikhathi kodwa if there's no unity ngeke izinto zihambe ngendlela. Ingakho bengitheke ekuqaleni kukhona ukubambisana phakathi kwabazali nothisha nabantwana. Kothisha bebonke ukubambisana kukhona kusezingeni eliphezulu kakhulu. Okwesithathu ke ngokuzoba i-discipline. Ukuthi ke siyaqinisekisa ukuthi ke abantwana kulesi sikolo ba disciplined ngolona hlobo. Size sithi ke i-discipline yethu isebenza kakhulu kwinto yokuthi njengoba sithi ufuna kube khona i-unity nasebantwaneni size sithi ke kubona sicela i-uniformity. Okusho ukuthi ke masiyibeka thina eyethu uniformity siyibeka ibe lula ukuthi sicela ukuthi bafane. Kungabikho ovela ukuthi usuke endaweni enjani. Ngokuthi nje okokuqala sithi ngendlela ababukeka ngayo ukusuka nje la ekhanda imela zidilike zibe phansi. Kwenzela ukuthi kungabikho ozobonakala ukuthi yena akakwazi ukufaka iphema akakwazi ukufaka ukuthi ngoba kubo engenayo lo mandla onamandla yakwazi ukuzisetha afaka ama-breads entontoni. So boys and girls kulesi sikolo ekhanda
akufani
abanalutho bebonke. So kusuka nje lapho sokuyafana. I-uniform ifane kusho ukuthi nje ngamagwama agcwele i-uniform yethu iqala ekhanda mangenza lento ibelula iyophelela phi ezinyaweni. Manje kuthi kongenwe eklasini zonke izingane ziyafana. Akekho ohlukile kunjani kunomunye. And uma ke ngokusokusebenzwa sine code of conduct esiyibekile ecacisa ukuthi nako kwenziwayo kulesi sikolo nako kungenziwa kulesi sikolo. Uma lokhu kwenzile nako kuzokwenziwa kuwena. Sinayo ngokunani ne-disciplinary committee okuyona ke ebhekene nokwenza sure ukuthi i-disciplinary i-code of conduct for learners iyasetshenziswa ngendlela. Sinama levels ke siwabekile kwi-code of conduct ukuthi kunama offenses wabiza ukuthi level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4. So ke lokho nje in short ikona okwenza ukuthi isikolo sethu sihleli siyubambile ke umqiqo.
Okay, principal, ndibhijekile man. The house is full. There are awards all over. Nje you are being awarded ni isikolo esikhulu esihlonitshwayo, but kulula kangakanani to attract abantu ukuthi beze la eNtsikeni bazofundisa abantwana babo. Abanye bazotyala. I think we nje sike saxoxa, you've complained about some of the things that you cannot do as a principal, and also ama-funds wenu anganivumeli ukuthi nikwazi ukuzenza. Mhlawumbe eyiphi indlela esingenza ngayo, because this needs the world. Like the world has to see this gold yenu lena, this is your diamond, this is your silver, this is your everything. Because ukuthi ezikoleni esengizihambile I've never seen such cups and certificates. Kodwa still usachaza ukuthi ama certificates wena akakaneli. Mhlawumbe eyiphi enye indlela okanye eyiphi indlela engcono singakwazi ukwenza ngayo to try and attract abantu ukuthi bafike espacini sakho bazowubona umsebenzi omkhulu kangaka enwenzayo? Awapha ama needs asemqoka right now?
Buningi sisiwami kona kakhulu. Mhlawumbe ke masiyiqala lento siyiqala kahle ukuthi right now we are in short of classes. And a furniture. Desk and chairs. We've got a class la whereby in one class we have 101 learners and then in one class we have 180. Uzobheka ke lapho that is grade 10 ukuthi ngoku ingane ezofundiseka kanjani. Sike sawanikezwa ama mobile class amabini but ke iweather yadlala irole yavele yawavuthulula wakhe yawaqeda. Mhlambe if we can get 3 mobile classes lo nyaka ungakwazi ukuthi uthini unyakazo kokuqala. Then secondly abazali all over bayabazisa abantwana. Bebazisa nje all over. Sinayo problem ngokutreatishwa kwabantwana kwi community. Abekho safe kakhulu. Ziningi izinto ezenzekayo, ngabala kushona ilanga. Last year nje abantwana baye bagqekezelwa emiqashweni yabo, there were even more than 500 begqekezelwa emiqashweni yabo abahleli kuyona. So which means if singathola something ezakwenza ukuthi abantwana abahlala endaweni safe like abantu abangasiza nange hostel, that one will be lovely. And also we have about 400 nangaphezulu wabantwana singathini abahamba ngama transport all over these locations around. So ke ngoku we also need learner transport so that sizo avoid nanokuthi abantwana baye ukufika late. Kodwa ke so far bayazama abazali nezimoto abaziqashile. And into eyingozi ngokephinda ikhona uhulumeni uthi amavena kufanelanga layishe ingane zesikolo. Kodwa ngokulo mphakathi ngoba phela izona izinto yona transport eningi kakhulu uend up usebenzisa amavena. And ke ngoku that one is not safe for the learners. So ngingathi ke kwamanje ngoba ekona kuningi kakhulu mhlambe nje ngingabeka lokho ukuthi kona okuphambili ke manje ukuthini okudingekayo. Then ke asizibonge kona nezinto ezinhle uhulumeni asenzele zona. Singakhali kakhulu. Right now as you see ngine laptop la in front of me. Last year uMath Science and Technology uke wasenzela into enhle. Mawungabheka nangapha naku kukhona okukhona la okwe wifi. The whole school is Wi-Fi connected and each and every class in a projector and a whiteboard. Mase sibhala njengoba sawusebenzisa ushoko kodwa sesibhala ngalokho. Each and every class and each and every educator in the school unikezwe laptop. Right now kona ke we are 25 but out of njenganamanje 1080 learners. Uzayibona ke gap ukuthi inkulu kangakanani. Kona ke iPPN yethu yona ikhawuntela to 780. I-difference inkulu ke kodwa ke sisezazama ukuxoxisana nobani nohulumeni ukuthi ngeke ivaleke ini le gap enkulu kangaka ngoba kwa staffing sethu bona singaphansi kudele ngokwenamba yani yama learners. So bengithi ngikuveze lokho kuhle ukuthi uhulumeni usinikezile ke ama laptop awu 25 and also sinama laptop awu 40 that are for learners.
Wow.
So lokho ke bonaka kufike last year kwenzeke ukuthi umsebenzi ubelula kakhulu. Ingakho namanje mawungawabona ama results angonyaka ophelile improvile futhi ukudlula ama results ango 2021 because in 2021 we had about 116 learners. Then all of them zathola 100%, which means zapass. Then 98 lapho zathola amabachelor. Right? So maso ubheka ke ngokulapho kwabese ngoku from there i14 yathola ama diploma then only 4 yathola ini ama-higher certificate. But ama-results lawa recent, the learners bezu 104. From that 104, we got 96 bachelors, then sazothola 8 diplomas. Now masawubhekisisa ngokuma sithi 96 plus 8 already, that is making 104.
Wow.
So which means kulama results ka 2022 asinayo higher certificate.
That's quality results.
Yes.
Wonke umntana ke apho is able to enter a university, they are able to study for what they want. Tata siyibona kakhulu imisebenzi yakho emihle. We've mentioned the caps and the certificates that you have. Ndicela nje sike sibamba ama results abantwana bakho nje. I'll just speak about one student sakho esikwazile ukufumana 81% of mathematics and also 81% of physical sciences. Yes. Do you guys have a laboratory where nikwazi ukwenza khona ama experiments and stuff? Ni fortunate kangakanani when it comes to study material and also ama resources wonke enwadingayo when it comes to ukufunda?
Yeah, we do have a building. Funa simnqomo uRhulumeni lapho wasiza. This building on this side is just a laboratory building.
Wow.
It's serving a computer room, a life science laboratory and physical science laboratory. And the last year, Math Science and Technology, nako lokho asikuveze singakufihli, usizamile nge-equipment nangama-apparatus we-life science and physical science as well as natural science. Ngiphinde futhi ngi-include ne-technology.
Wow.
Basinikezile nje, we have started ke last year sayisebenzisa yonke leyo material namanje ke kuzoqhubeka kusetshenziswe yona.
Siyabonga kakhulu. Mfundisi nje sesizawuvala ngizawucela ukhe uphosa amazwi ombulelo to your team, all the stakeholders eziba involved ukuze wena ukwazi ukuthatha lo msebenzi omhle kangaka ubeke kwenqanaba eliphezulu.
Hey, okokuqala angibonge nje ku cream dollar cream walapha esikolweni othisha.
Okay.
Ukukumina kuyisibusiso ukuthi ngithola othisha abanjenga nalaba. Njengoba boye wawubuza umbuzo eqaleni akukho lula ukuthi othisha ababa bamukele ukusebenza under such situations. But okumnandi kunabo siphila kamnandi and noma sizixoxa izinkinga bahleli bazi ukuthi kune solution. Futhi they are ready ukuthi ba provide a solution and bayi implement. Sisebenzisana nabo kahle kakhulu. Nabo into emnandi ngabo abantu abayithanda into enhle, abantu abayithanda inqubekela phambili. Because iba khona inkinga uma unothisha phansi kwakho enithi mani pusha okuhle kepha yena ubumbona ukuthi against kona. The best thing ngathi ukuthi sinabo thisha kwayibona ngaphakathi inqubekela phambili nokwenza umahluko nokwenza justice enganeni yesikolo ukhona kubona ngaphakathi. As a result othisha enginabo la abaphushwa bayazihambela ngemisebenzi bazenzela uze kugcine kuma morning class sebebanga morning class ku end up sokubonakala ukuthi asibe ne timetable yani ye morning class because babanga ini i morning class. Akwandanga ke lokho ezikolweni. Ingakho ngithi nje ngiqale ngabo ngibabonge ngencume ngibheke ecaleni wasokuthiwana ababayabangisana ukuthi hayi sibanibani wena sowungena kakhulu ukuthina ngoba sisabatholi futhi baqede ukuqhamuke nabo ne solution ukuthi hayi into ezobalula nje hayi ngeke asivele sibe nani ne timetable ithawukwasha kwalunga ke ngoku umntwana umuntu omnyama nabantwana basihlonipha lesi sikolo bahlonipha ikusasa labo. Mangiphuma ke la esikolweni mhlawumbe ngaphambi bangiphumela esikolweni angayikhohlwa the board of the school governing body.
Yes.
Because noma ningahlanganisa kanjani kodwa uma ngabe school governing board ayihambi nani kuvuthuluka kuphele konke. Ngibonga ukuthi nabo bayayiphila imission and vision of the school and bayazi ukuthi ukuze lesikolo siye phambili kufanele kwenzekeleni and sibambisene kahle kakhulu nabo. Ngidlule ke ngiveze no chief njengoba ngeke ngamveza ukuthi uyasithwala entweni eziningi last year and all other years when we were celebrating 100% uhlele efaka izinto futhi akhupha izinto ezihamba ngezinyawo akhupha inkomo akhupha amagusha futhi aphinda azo celebrate nathi sidlule futhi nomasipala umasipala uyasisiza kakhulu kona ngichaza into eningi esizenzayo kulesi sikolo ngoba bonga up sokuthatheka isikhathi senu kodwa kunye engingakuveza la ukuthi uma abantwana bethu bezobhala i-final exam sine system thina yokuthi hayike sibafake ngaphakathi esikolweni kube ukuthi inye kuphela into ezahlala emqondweni wabo i-final exam sine camp esiyenza makuphela unyaka a day before babhale iphepha lokuqala siyabathatha ke sizobafaka but ke lokho siyayisiplelele nje unyaka uthini uqala bangene ngaphakathi esikolweni bayongena a day before babhale iphepha lokuqala baze bayophuma after sebeqede iphepha lokugcina siyazi ke lapho ukuthi ziningi izinto ezidingekayo ngithi angikuvezekele ukuthi umasipala uyasupport kakhulu lapho kakhulu ngeyona into ebaleke kunako konke i-catering nakhona asikuphakamise lokho sikuveze isupport esinikezwa umasipala another one sine motivational speaker ke yethu la esihleli senza uhlelo nalo unyaka nonyaka la kulesi sikolo mayize kancane iza 4 times because each and every term kufanele inyathele la izohlangana no grade 12 so we have been doing that since 2013 nale motivational speaker sesibize ngokuthi is our resident motivational speaker because sinohlelo oluspecial oluqondene no grade 12 sibe nezikhathi mhlambe once a year lapho kuzake ngoku kube yini isikolo sonke but there's something special nje for ubani grade 12 each and every term namanje nje ngolwesihlanu already sesine program yokuthi our residential motivational speaker izobe lapha esikolweni that one ke is none other than Mr. RBJ Jaji we JJ Tutuga Services.
Wow.
We have been running this siloko ke siyichintsha ngokwebheka ukuthi right now sinabantwana abanjani kodwa umsebenzi awenzayo wenza umahluko omkhulu kakhulu.
Oh wow, tata wami siyabulela kakhulu niyabonakala bani ngabantu abahlelekileyo because sesiyabona into yokubani programs zokuqala konyaka sezisele ziqalile Ntsikeni Senior Secondary School. Tata wami sifuna ukubonga sibonga ivision yenu enhle sibonga unity that you guys build phakathi kwabafundi phakathi kwabazali phakathi kwecommunity kunye netishala sibonga the empowerment that you give abantwana bendawo yenu abantwana besikolo senu abantwana baseMzimkhulu wonke kuphela ukuthi they should be empowered they should know into yokubana bafuna ukuachieve ntoni. Right now tata wami ndicela mhlambe kukho iprincipal kwisikolo simqalayo grade 12 kukho isikolo esineminyaka senayo grade 12 but kunzima into yokubana bafinyelele kwi-percentage ethile abayifunayo mhlambe wena njengoprincipal osele enamava kakhulu since 2013 you've been here for 7 years you've been achieving 100% and uzibonile iziqhamo zomsebenzi wenu omhle kakhulu so ndicela tata wami usithethele nje nalo principal encourage empowerishe motivate into yokubana ayiko kuphela kobomi but they can still do better nabo besiso eso sikolo to attract abantwana to catch attention yabantwana to build the firm future for abantwana babo.
Mhlawumbe ke ngingaqala la ukuthi uthisha omkhulu kukhona into okufanele ayazi ukuthi udonga lolu uma uthisha omkhulu lubalekile kuwo abantu ngaphambi babanqike edongeni baqale baluze ukuthi lu strong yini baba nganqika kulona uma belizile ukuthi alikho strong ngeke banqike kodwa mabelizile ukuthi lu strong bazonqika kulona so into engizama ukusho ukuthi uma ukhethe ukuthi uprincipal, the first thing you must have a firm unshaking spirit. Entweni othi ayenzeke ume njenganodonga. So that ize ingene babone ukuthi ngempela singakuthemba lokho. Ngoba I-trust from abantu osebenza nabo iya kuwe. It's very, very important. Noma ungeza nawo apha ama-programs, kodwa if there's no trust, kuhleli kuzahamba kuphelele phi. Ingakho ngithi naku nje ukuqala engakuveza. Then okunye ke kwesibini, uprincipal ofikayo akaba consult o-principal afisa ukuthi isikolo sakhe siyofika kulo level abakuyo. So that ezobese aqhamuke ngokweseqhamuka ne-developmental plan yakho ukuthi uzomuva kanjani ukusuka kule ndawo akuyo ukufika kule ngokuthi eqale wa-consult. Nami I'm talking ngento engayenza uma ngifika la ukuze ngibone ukuthi ngizokwenza kanjani. Umuntu wokuqala engingazange ngimyeke uprincipal ophuma kulesi sikolo, the former principal, uMr. Ngqoyiya osekwamasipala ngoku. Ngihlale naye phansi ngixoxe naye ngizwe ukuthi okokuqala ivision yakhe ngalesi sikolo beyithini, so that ngizaqalela kuyona ngibese ngengeze yami. Secondly, ngabese sengikhetha ama high school amabili enza kahle ukuthi ngibese ngothola ke wona ukuthi njengibe ngaphambi kweNtsikeni nje enza njani. Manje I'm happy ngoba sengiyawehlula, kodwa ngahamba ngothola khona. That's the advice ke ngingayinikeza uprincipal ukuthi naye mayenza kanjalo anga end up lezikolo ayowazi consult esekwazi ukuzehlula.
Amnandi bethunana akafuni kudungwa. Siyabulela kakhulu tata wethu ngokusinikeza ixesha lakho elihle nelikhulu kangaka. Sifike uxakekile sakuphazamisa. Siyabonga ngokuthi usihloniphe uhloniphe nomsebenzi esizowenza kanye nawe usinikeze isikhathi sakho. uJehova sengathi angakubusisa, sengathi angakunikeza izinto ezinhle kakhulu, sengathi ungawa attractor all the investors ezifuna ukufika kule sikolo because umsebenzi owenzayo umhle kakhulu. I've never seen isikolo excella singayeke because people like ukuthi banyuke kakhulu and then mase kuyisikhathi sokuthi bahlale in that phase baphinde behle kakhulu. Siyabonga ukuthi wena you did not change. Umanile nje uqhubeka usifundisa uzama ukusibonisa into yokubana everything is possible masikwazi ukubambisana. So siyayibongela kakhulu Ntsikeni, siyayithandazisa ukuthi sengathi ngangasuki kule ndawo ekuyo, instead yenze kakhulu na kakhulu ukuze nezinye izikolo zikwazi ukufunda kuyo. Siyabonga kakhulu.
Thank you.
Bamameli beDream TV besilapha ke Ntsikeni sizozibonela. Siyayibonga kakhulu ivision kaprincipal ehlangene namanye ama-stakeholders abancedisana nawo ukuze zonke ezizinto zibe possible. Mbukeli weDream TV osekhaya, if you know anybody okwazi into yokubana asincedise to make sure that we are making this thing of education fashionable each time we get a chance, because abantwana bethu ikamva labo liqhomekeke ezifundweni zabo. Sisinamhla
Sis.
unjani?
Daphla njani mina?
Nam ndiyaphila. Namhlanje sikuvakashele as iDream TV because you are so special, you have done so well for yourself, and also you've raised the flag of your school so high to an extent that ukwazile ufumana your 8 distinctions including your maths and your physical sciences. Like uziva njani mhlawumbe sentsho ithini into?
Kona nixhalabile. Bendazi banizakwazi ukuyenza lento kodwa ndixhalabile shame ndixabalile. Nje into enkulu kum uba ndazi ba umndeni wami uyajabula ngenxa yami.
Oh wow. Okay, Sisinamhla, you've always been a student in Ntsikeni. Kodwa this time around you've came out with ama results akubizela bonke akubizela amehlo abantu bonke, attention yabo bonke abantu, and also like everybody wants to know ukuthi ngubani lo namhla. So ine impact engakanani lonto leyo ebomini bakho right now?
Ine impact enkulu sisi ngoba nangona ndenze kahle ama results bengihleli nexhala ukuthi awunkosi yami ngenzala kanjani mengabe ngingaba omnye ama students angezukwazi uku-interact ku-university. Kodwa ngenxa umsebenzi wami omhle engwenzile ngibone sekwenzeka izinto eziningi ebengathi zizenzeka. like ngiqeda kuthola confirmation ukuthi ngingene ku-UKZN as i-student for medicine.
Wow.
Bengazi noba ngijabule ngithini ngoba kade ngithandaza uNkulunkulu ukuthi kwenzeke lo ngosenzekile ke umndeni wami ajabula ngami. Ndivuyile kakhulu.
Oh, now I'm sitting with Dr. Namhla.
Right. Ngasho nje Dr. Namhla.
Okay, siswam, like you are saying ukuthi uthathiwe for medicine. Like sine problems ezininzi in South Africa. We have shortage of doctors. We have COVID-19 eyasihlasela and we like had no solutions to it. So wena ufuna ngicela ubuza ugqirha different njani kwabagqirha bakhoyo eMzantsi Africa?
Ngamafusha nje ngasho ngithi uzabona. Ngizazama ngawo konke engizakwenza nami ukuthi ngisindise impilo zabanye abantu emhlabeni. Njengoba uNkulunkulu esenginikile ithuba lokuthi nami ngithole isikhala sokuthi ngifunde eKZN, ngizazama ukuthi ngirepair back to uNkulunkulu ukuthi ngisindise abanye abantu abadinga usizo lwami.
All right, sithando sam, uhlala nomama notata ekhayeni, right? So just tell me into yokubana intoni iphupha lakho for intoni ofuna ukuyenzela abazali bakho to like through izifundo zakho. Uyabona mos into yokubana xa sikhulayo wonke umuntu usuke nephupha lento yokubana ufuna ukutshintsha ubomi bakhe, ufuna ukutshintsha like indlela abazali bakhe abaphila ngayo. So wena lithini lakho iphupha ngabakho abazali?
Yona iphupha kakhulu ngabazali bami sisi. Yabona nje kule ndlela sihleli kuyo ngoku abantu abayenze ukuthi kube njena kusisama omdala uNonhlanhla Dlamini noSiphamandla Dlamini. So ngithi mengibabheka ngibona ukuthi ba role models wami ngoba abazali bami basuka kude kodwa ngoba bahlala endlini namathazi enabo sofa ene-TV ngenxa yabo. So mina ngiyafuna nami ucontribute emndenini wami. Abona nje abenzile lokhu mina ngizafuna ukukudablisha futhi ngenze nangaphezulu ukuze ngibone ukuthi bancuma ngami lento leyo ngijabulisa kakhulu.
Sithanda sami ndiyakuthanda kakhulu, ndiyawuthanda umbono wakho ngabazali bakho. Ungumntwana waseNtsikeni, ngumntwana wasemakhaya. I want to believe into yokubana ngomnye wabantwana abangathatha intweni. So mhlambe ukhona namhla othile kwindawo ethile mhlambe you may never know ofuna ukuva wena into yokubana ngawaphi amazwi ongamnikeza wona aza kumkhuthaza ukuze naye abe ngilo namhla onguye namhlanje othathwe UKZN ozibona itshintsha impilo yabazali, onikeza encouragement and also empowerment to abanye abantwana abalingana naye. So uthini kulo mntana lo?
Nangasho ndithi ndenzile sisi, ndenzile bhuti. So ndacela nawe inye le qha into ofuna yenze ukuthi uzive ngaphakathi uba uthini. Mengabe wazi into ukuthi uzayenza, funa uzitshene ukuthi uzayenza. Boma sozitshenile uzayenza ngempela. Abo mina uprincipal wangibizele officeini in September. No, not September, in June. Ngawukuthela ama distinctions awu7. Ngashiya ele physics distinction. Ngazibuza ukuthi ayibo kanjani, kwenzakala kanjani. Wasengibiza uprincipal officeini lakhe wangibuza ukuthi ayibo namhla into yenzayo. Uyazi ukuthi la esikoleni khona irecord engakazi la break lo mntwana ozathola ama distinctions awu8. Ngase ngizithembisa ngaphakathi kwathi xhifu yakho kakho into engisha ngaphakathi ukuthi uprincipal mesikhuluma kanje mina shothi uyangithemba ukuthi ngingayenza lento. Ngase ngizitshena ngaphakathi ukuthi ngizakwazi ukuyenza lento le. Kodwa ngoba ngazitshena ngempela naku ngiphethe certificate ngosinaba 7 esinaba 8 distinctions. So sibhuti nawe lapho khona ngicela uzithole ngaphakathi ukuthi ubani ufuna nempilweni, ngiyakuthembisa kuzokwenzeka.
You are very powerful, my love. I can't wait to see you in 2 years to come, 3 years to come. I can't wait to see you owning your own surgery, ungugqirha usindisa impilo zethu, employing other people, creating employment opportunities, because you can see the crisis that we are facing in South Africa. Abantu abanayo imisebenzi. Ndiyakuthanda kakhulu, ndiyakuvuyela. That's why selapha thina namhlanje eZimkhulu TV ukuzojonga umsebenzi omhle kangako wenzileyo, and also ukuvuyisana nawe nokukuxelela into yokubana wenze kahle kakhulu uze ungayeki ukuba ngilo namhla nguye namhlanje.
Sozendeke sisiyakuthembisa.
All right. Siyabonga kakhulu.
So
Thank you. Sihleli nabazali bakanamhla ke ngoku abazawusixelela into yokubana bayenza njani lento yokukhulisa inzwakazi eyomelele ngolhlobo. Bazali bam niphilile kodwa bethunana?
Siyaphila njani sisi?
Sithanda unamkela namhlanje siyiDream TV. Siyakwamkela mama wam, siyakwamkela tata wam. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Mama wam, uNamhla is your child. Intombazana yakho encinane sentsho uzive njani wena ngokwazi into yokubana kweli khaya lalapha kwaDlamini kukho inzwakazi enawuziphume eqopha umlando kubekho abantu from different places who want to see this beautiful girl ekwazi uku-achieve 8 distinctions?
Hey, ndijabulile kakhulu sisi, kakhulu. Obekungijabulisa nje ukuthi sekuzofezeka amaphupho akhe abehleli ephupha ngawo. especially nje isikhathi esiningi yena uhlele ephupha ukuthi yena uzoba udokotela. Kutheni ethola lama results hayi ndabona ukuthi cha azofezeka amaphupho akhe.
Siyabonga kakhulu matata wami. Sisemakhaya apha ayonto ebaluleke kangaka imfundo kwabanye abantu. And abantu abangodada nabantu abangomama mostly bayabayeka abantwana babo bayokwenda, but wena ukwaze njani into yokuba wakho umntana umkhuthaze into yokuba naye esikolweni more than ukuyokwenda mhlawumbi ahlale nendoda thizeni ezakwazi ukumenzela yonke into ayifunayo?
Sisiwami ngizothi nje ngibona isimo ndisifunda siseza le kude ukuthi exesha namhlanje selishintshe kakhulu ngendlela ukuthi kufuneka abantwana bafundiswe njengoba ndibe nenhlanhla yokungena apha ekuphakameni kwaShembe kunyazi lwezulu. Wafika wathetha naye wathi abantwana bafunde, since noMandela wayithi abantwana bafunde ukwenza amabhizinisi ngoba impilo namhlanje seyishintshe kakhulu. Manje nami ngiyenda bathetha kakhulu nabantwana bami ndithi kufuneka bafunde isikolo. Ndibe ndithi mangihamba mhlawumbe ndibashiya ndazi ukuthi ayi noko ndingathonge ngemva, ndibe ndazi ukuthi noko bayakwazi ukuzimela. Yikona nje likhuleka ngoba nomenda isekho manje nabafana namhlanje ixesha elinensi ndabafundisa nabo ukuthi bangaboneli ngaphandle into enziwa ngaphandle nabo bayenze, ababhekani nale abayifundiswa abazali babo ngoba akusizi ukubheka bangaphandle nababazi ukuthi kwenzekalani ngoma kubo, babhekela ikhaya kuphela bona baphumelela xa befundile kungcono kakhulu sebephethe baphethe ba right babefundile baphethe yonke into zonke izikhali zempilo.
Tata siyabonga kakhulu, siyayibonga ingqondo nayo because abantu abatsha bayaphalala kwindawo zasemakhaya ngoba abazali they believe kakhulu into yokuba umntwana makakhulu abe intombazana afunde uklina indlu akwazi uphuma yokwenda, but eyakho ingqondo iyasifundisa futhi iyasiguide into yokuba now abantwana kubaleke kakhulu basibathumene esikolweni. Siyabonga kakhulu. Nama I wish benikhulele kwelikhaya la kwaDlamini. Ndiyaziva imfundiso zalapha ekhayani uyasifundisa utata into yokubana choose your friends wisely. Ithi iBhayibhile show me your friends and I will show you your future. So uyasixelela namhlanje utata wethu into yokubana ayikho enye into ayifundisa uNamhla eza kuphuma ngalamnyango esiya euniversity. Umfundisa ukumoyika uThixo, umfundisa into yokubana bakhona abantu baninzi kodwa mawulikhethe uhlobo labantu ozaligna nalo. Siyabonga kakhulu bazali bakwaDlamini ngokusivumela sizohlala nani namhlanje eZidream TV, ngokusivumela into yokubana sizothatha ubuso bomntana wenu sibuthathe siyobe expose elizweni ningabi nako ukoyika ngalonto leyo. Siyabonga kakhulu uJehova sengathi anganisikelela, sengathi uJehova anganigcinela umntwana wenu, sengathi wonke amaphupho wakhe angafezeka nezifiso zaleli khaya sengathi zonke singaphumelela ngoJehova emhle.
Siyabonga kakhulu.
Siyabonga.
Mbukeli omhle weDream TV, sesifike emaphethelweni weshow yethu yanamhlanje. Besilapha kulomhlaba waseNtsikeni sizo interviewer one of the top achievers. Sihambe izikolo ezimbili which is Dulati Combined School and also Ntsikeni Senior Secondary School. Siyathemba into yokuba sikwazile ukukhuthaza nawe kulondawo uhleli kuyo emakhaya into yokubana uvuke uzivuthulile wenze okuhle kodwa nokukhulu kangangoko into yokubana ukwazi nawe ukuqeqambisa elakho ingomso. SiyiDream TV ke thina ke ze ungalibali ukusubscribe to our YouTube channel and also don't forget to like our Facebook page so that you can manage to see more of this content. Igama lami ndingu Amlu, ndingwa kwaMbabala. Ciao.